everyone, it's Gillian and I am back with another fun slime video today. So today we're going to be making a unicorn crunch inspired slime, and I'd like to thank Gillian Bauer F on Instagram for suggesting this name for this slime. I was so stuck on what to name it, but she came up with the most awesome name. So yeah, unicorn crunch slime. I love the texture of it. It's like a glossy base slime. It's super thick, it's super clicky, and then it's got some really pretty bright rainbow foam beads. But I also want to remind you guys that I'm currently holding a giveaway over on my Instagram where I'm giving away 4 slimes that I'm going to be creating to one person. So make sure you head over to my Instagram if you would like to enter that giveaway. So I think it's time that we jump into the video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need is a bowl, and then to this bowl add 1 cup of PVA school glue. Then just add a couple of pumps of foaming hand soap and also some conditioner to make it nice and shiny, and then we're also going to add some lotion, and this is going to make our slime nice and stretchy. So just go ahead and mix all these ingredients together, and then it's time to color our slime. So you can either use acrylic paint or food coloring. I love using food coloring, and I decided to make this slime a really pretty blue color. And now for what is going to make our slime super glossy, just add a little bit of baby oil and then mix this in. And now it's time to activate our slime, and the activator that I use is half a teaspoon of borax mixed into 1 cup of warm water. So just add a little bit of borax at a time and then mix your glue mixture, and it should start to turn into a really nice thick and glossy slime. To make this slime even more fun and colourful, I decided to add some foam beads, and these just add a really awesome texture. So I added these large ones, and I love adding large foam beads. It just makes the slime feel so awesome. And then, as always, to store your slime, I would recommend putting it in an airtight container, and then this will make sure that it lasts for a while and that you get to play with it at a later date and it won't dry out or anything like that. But now you have your super fun unicorn crunch slime. I love this slime so much. The texture of it, the way it looks, just everything about it is so awesome. And yeah, this looks so cool. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun making it. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see new videos from me. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!